Well, hello. Guess who this is? If you don't know by now, I can't help you. This is that one that was painted up because it was on a gate or something, and it's an American, and we're gonna see if we can get her open. So let's go that way. I don't think we need the big, long thing. I'm going to use 30 thousandths on this one. Cause it's got a big keyway. So let's see what we can do. I shot some oil in this earlier. And let's see if we can get it picked. Oh, I'm feeling clicks, but they're not solid clicks, you know what I mean? They're not as solid as you'd like. They're not like crisp clicks. Nah, it feels solid. Oh, we got it, guys. Check it out. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. Look at that brass. We got her. We got her. Now she's open. Guess what I got? A leashy. Let's see what she says. You guys help me on this, okay? I want you to help me decode this. Board lock picker, if you watch this, you better help me. Uh-oh. It doesn't act like it's going all the way in. That's not going all the way in. Whoa, that's not good. Let's see if we can turn it back a little bit. And maybe that'll do it. Not all the way back. Let go. Where's the top? That way. Okay, of course I got it upside down. Turn it back a little bit. Alright, it's locked back up basically, but it's still picked. Get this where it needs to be. Like I said, I really need you guys' help to because I've been off a lot. Man, it's not going all the way in. Oh my goodness. Is it a real deep pin? Are you kidding me? Well, it may be because of this. Sorry, let me try to focus. Maybe because of that knob right there. Maybe there's let's see the number. Jeff Moss, 2827. It won't go all the way in. So basically I can't decode it. So yeah, guys, I guess that's it. I'd love to decode it for you. But it is open. Holy crud. I just don't know. We'll have to check it out. I gotta get this paint off, so gonna use some mineral spirits and see if I can clean that up. Thanks for watching, everybody. Stay legal and have fun. Okay, this is the add-on, okay, that I promised you in a video. This is the one we just did, and this is the other one. Well, here's the thing. I don't know if you can see this, but this is, okay, let me get them right. That's a 2827. And that's a 2827. So apparently they're keyed the same. But this one, let's try the Lycian. I just got through picking it. And what I meant by all the way is, I mean this goes all the way down to the last little bit, like one away. I don't mean that it's going to go all the way in because it's only a 5-pinner. So here's where I need to help. Okay, when you stick this down here, come on, focus. Let me get another light on that. Dang, I hate this. That's too much. I don't know. But when you stop, hey, that is too much. What number would you say that is? Because that's a, what, 3? There in the hard line. So I would call that a 2. Okay, and we move over to the next one. And that looks like it's on the hard line, like a 3. You guys write this down and check it out. Now this one looks like it's halfway between a 1 and a 2. Excuse me. What do we call that? Alright, and then the next one, let's set it there. Is that a 3? It's like between a 3 and a 2. What do we call it? A 3? That one looks like a straight up 5. I mean, it seems like it's right on the line. So let's go back. That one's on the. That one's like between the lines. It's, would you call it a 3? And what about this one? Let's bring it down. Would you call that a 2? Or a 1? This one on the, what is it? That looks like a 3 to me. And the last one, is that a 3 or a 2? It's like in between. What do I call it? So give me all the help you can, guys. I really appreciate it, all you guys that work with this stuff, to help me out figure out which cuts those are. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.